What you working on here?
I've got no fucking idea what I'm working on. I have no idea what I'm even supposed to be doing. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be.
How do you feel right now?
I feel scared.
You scared?
Mommy, come help me.
Alright, action.
Still waiting for him to slip on that board.
I was waiting for you to say something.
Why not both?
Ask me a freaking question. What are you doing?
See, it's a very hostile environment here in Afghanistan. The commies are all over the place. So, how's your time in Afghanistan been?
Outstanding.
Oh, oh no. Oh, it's a smoke bomb. Okay, I thought it was gonna go. It's raining now. Right?
Nature hurts. It does.
As I'm yelling at people.
I'm good.
Tell me how you feel. How does that
I
make you
feel like nature is trying to rape me.
Ethan, move back. Oh wait, it's okay, I got that.
Ethan, move. And you know what? Let him stay there. Let him stay.
Hello, it's good.
Good job.
Oh, that was lame.
Sniff it.
Ethan,
Snort it. Or sniff it. Wow. No!
oh, it smells like
So edgy.
eggs. Rotten eggs. Jared's like, Thomas the train.
Dead now. Good
Thomas
job.
the tank engine.
Oh! Go!
Be careful with that thing.
Oh, no. Oh. Oh, I think the rain is stopping now.
Hello, Akbar. Put a frog in there.
We got a little spider in here. Where the hell he is? Hold on. Where is he?
Spider's like,
He's in the bottom.
Oh, there he is. Okay. Yeah, little spider's about to meet his maker here.
evil.
Oh god.
You want light?
Rest
No,
in
I don't
peace,
want to light it. In fact,
I can't light it because
I'll hold it.
I'll light.
I'll hold
Okay.
I'll hold
got
the
it.
thing you're blowing up, but I won't light the firecracker.
It's all a matter of perspective.
Okay, we gotta examine the spider once the firecracker goes off.
So, my
He's still in there,
examination now says the spider's
Yeah,
not
there he is.
dead and in one piece.
Oh.
Oh!
Wait. Spider's probably long gone.
Oh shit, he's still alive, dude.
Oh shit.
Wait, now he gets...
Wait, where is he?
He fucking crawled down in there. He's hiding in there.
Alright.
Probably back.
Open the top.
As a doctor,
spider's
I
in the
can
bottom.
confirm that this spider is,
Oh, there's no way.
There he is! Oh my god, no! It's a zombie spider! Give it to me. Get him over here.
Oh, how is he still alive?
He's like, stop!
It's a zombie spider.
Alright, that's enough.
Over to the right, let's go. You go. Turn me, I'll be behind you. Come here. Going up in the hill, it sounds like. Where is he? Hostels on the hill, heads up. I don't see him. Could be wrong, but I'm not used to it. Alright. You want cover? Yeah, no.
Fuck me.
We just lost one. You can't see him from here, I don't think. Yeah. You get him?
What?
Did you get him?
I have footage of
Hey.
us going deaf.
My whole life is potatoes. I eat potatoes. I drink potatoes. I farm potatoes. Oh God, the potatoes!
Hostile potatoes. After how was the action?
Total of 1,000 potatoes harvested. 400 potatoes eaten when harvested. 1 potato given to a poor man. He was then shot by a potato.
Oh God! The potatoes!
Oh. Oh. Call your hits. Oops. Call your hits. Cheater. Good job, guys.
Are you ready, sir?
Him like every time. He just wasn't calling.
You might want to turn
Yeah.
around.
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna
One
get
second,
beat
one
with the
second.
nose.
Al Capone.
I got my cool glove.
Ready on the left.
Ready? Oh, I'm
That's
wrong.
the right, you moron.
I'm facing the other way.
Ready on the right.
Ready?
See. Fire.
Power of a
Oh. Oh my God. Well timed. Oh. Oh.
Probably got
Take a picture.
Oh.
shit.
Wait, bring it up higher. Oh my God.
That was probably all my gun.
No.
I give you props for that one. That was awesome.
Joe, I gave you chicken pox.
Oh, well, hey,
give him a
challenge
you'll be good now. Oh wait, no, he's
Actually,
not.
it doesn't hurt anymore.
Now he's gonna get
It
shingles.
was like just for that second when it's getting
tonight.
hit, and then it's like, well, it's
Yeah.
all good.
It's all good.
It's
That's
like a
awesome.
massage that hurts.
Here's our,
million
our
of 'em.
most recent kill.
It's the second horsefly today.
Ooh.
It's a good day.
Wait, put him like sideways so I can see how big he
What?
is on the footage. Yeah.
Let's strap him to
Cool.
a
Look,
firecracker. Oh, he's still
compared to
twitching.
my finger,
Ah.
that's pretty nasty. Look at his face too. Let's
Put it
blow
on
him
the
up.
ground.
Let's
Put it
blow
on
him
the
up.
firecracker.
Yeah.
Tape him.
Oh, he's got the
tape him.
firecracker.
Yeah, tape him to the end of it too.
Oh, he's still alive.
It's still.
He's still alive.
No, no, no. Just rip.
Don't kill him.
Don't
Don't
kill
kill
him.
him.
Don't
No,
kill
no, no,
him.
no, no,
I'm just holding his wing, people. It's just his
Don't
wing.
kill it, man.
See, it's
Don't
just
kill
his
it.
wing, so he can't move.
Oh.
People are freaking out.
Alright.
All right, we're about to tape this
Holding his
bug,
wing, people.
Oh, we thought you
this
were gonna
massive bug to a firecracker with some electrical tape here.
It almost ate me alive.
Firecracker
killed him.
or
This is redneck.
filled with BBs too. How much tape do you need for one small bug?
I hit him hard and he's still alive. Right on your spine.
Right in my spine.
Yeah.
Tape the wing down. Oh,
No, it's not.
let go.
It's not gonna stick to the floor.
Let go.
Squish him before he.
Let go.
Let go.
Do I
You know
trust
the
you?
bug's like, what the hell are you guys doing?
Oh.
He's like, I want to be free.
It deserves it.
He might
Okay.
skip that out.
Oh.
Like, you gotta put it on the ground.
All right, he's down there. Back up.
Light it.
Back up.
Back up.
It's gonna just like spew guts and everything. Lights the inside.
Oh no.
And he's fine.
Oh.
Thankfully.
There he goes.
Oh, he's gone. He's a goner.
Oh, there's the guts from him.
Oh, wait, move.
Oh, no, here he is.
Oh. Oh. Oh no. It's hilarious.
Isaac. Oh, he's dead as a fucking doornail.
That is disgusting. Look at it.
I think he'll be good in a week.
Okay.
Put him on the rock.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's just like a pile of dead insects. I can't even. Oh, there's some guts coming out right there.
He can't even.